Welcome to another Wednesday workshop from DealerOn. Customer service is one of the ways we at DealerOn focus on creating an excellent experience for our dealer partners. But just because something is good doesn't mean that it can't get better. We've recently revamped our approach to customer service with the goal of delivering an even better experience. Today, we're going to go through these changes so you can understand all of the ways we're making improvements. The first change, refine the customer experience. You can't afford to wait around. Your requests need to be handled effectively and quickly. With those goals in mind, DealerOn is realigning and expanding our customer service department. In the past, you had a dedicated customer success manager, and that was great. You all loved it. But what if they were tied up, or worse yet, out sick? So how do we take something you already love and make it better? Well, now you get a dedicated team, not just a single customer success manager, but a whole support staff who are familiar with your dealership's unique needs. All of your calls and emails will be automatically routed to your dedicated team and resolved lickety-split. One call resolution is the name of the game. Our objective is to solve as many of your requests in the span of a single call. And with an expanded roster of talented reps, all of whom are familiar with your business, that objective will be reality. The second change, improve employee quality of life. Internal job satisfaction might not seem like something clients should be concerned with, but a happy, fulfilled employee is an effective one. Employees who aren't concerned about their own situation are far more likely to provide friendly and effective customer service. Providing increased training and resources to our service team means that your customer service professional will have a deeper base of knowledge to draw upon to solve your problems. The third change, invest in new service technologies. DealerOn has always been a forward-thinking company, and we are passionate about providing the very best customer service in the industry. We're actively expanding our ability to find and take advantage of new technology we can use to make your business more profitable than ever before. These changes are already being made. This means that the award-winning customer service you've become accustomed to as a client of DealerOn is just getting better. Head over to DealerOn.com for your free demo and prepare to be wowed. And thanks for watching.